The new inverter model from WTHD has a power range of 3.6 to 10.2 kilowatts. The following is an illustration of the model with a power of 3.6 to 6.2 kilowatts. 120 volts alternating current single phase and 240 volts alternating current split phase, capable to operate without battery. Wider PV input voltage range from 100 to 500 volts direct current. Connect to the power grid. Connect to the load. Connect the protective earthing conductor. Connect the positive and negative terminals of the battery. Connect the communication cable. Connect the photovoltaic panels. Connection completed. Open the input switch, the battery switch, and the switch button at the bottom of the inverter in sequence. Wait for 15 seconds for the device to start up. Turn on the photovoltaic switch. Turn on the output switch. View screen parameters. Press the bottom button again. Turn off all the switches.